Hello and welcome to edusecrets.com. My name is Goldie Tiwari. Today we will learn how to use Analysis Toolpak in Microsoft Excel to generate random numbers. I believe Excel is one of the most underrated and underutilized analytical tool. Although we have more sophisticated analytical tools and programming languages such as R, Python, SPSS, MATLAB, etc. But Excel is something which we have been using since ages. Today we use Microsoft Excel to perform basic functions like data entry, data storage, or some basic analysis like correlation, summation, etc. But Excel has some additional features. There are many add-ins which can extend the use of Excel to perform advanced analytics. Today, we will be talking about one of those add-ins, which is called Analysis Toolpak. To be more specific, we will learn how to generate random numbers using Analysis Toolpak. Let us first understand why do we need to generate random numbers. We all know our lives is full of random events. For example, if I want to know weather conditions for the day, temperature, humidity, rainfall, or if I wish to know whether I will win a game of lottery or not. If I'm a businesswoman, I'll be curious to know the future demand for a product I recently launched. These all are events of pure randomness. We cannot predict the outcomes. However, we always try to make some predictions out of them. We collect data and try to generalize and try to make sense out of that data to make our future decisions based on these things. For example, if I wish to know my odds of getting 6 when I throw a dice 100 times, I can either take a dice, throw it 100 times, and write down the answers, the results on a piece of paper and try to make other predictions out of it. Or I can simply use Analysis Toolpak to generate those random numbers for me. So Analysis Toolpak artificially produces the results of random events without their actual occurrences so that you can make appropriate predictions. Let us now learn how to actually use Analysis Toolpak in Microsoft Excel to generate these random numbers. As we already discussed, Analysis Toolpak in Excel can be used to generate random numbers. Before learning how to use Analysis Toolpak, let us understand two other functions in Microsoft Excel that can be used to generate random numbers. These two functions are rand and rand between. Rand is used to generate random numbers between 0 and 1, and rand between function in Excel generates random number between a range. A range means you have to define a minimum and maximum value of those random numbers. In Microsoft Excel, to use rand function, you can just write the formula in one of the cells equals to RAND, and then you keep an empty bracket here and you will get a number, random number between 0 and 1. So I get 0.89 here. If you want more of these random numbers between 0 and 1, you can just simply drag and you get like 20 random numbers between 0 and 1 using the rand function. Similarly, to use rand between function, you have to write the formula in any of the cells equals to rand between. And here you have to define a minimum value. For example, if I want random numbers between 10 and 100, the minimum value will be 10, and I give a comma here and write 100 and close the bracket, and I get a random value between 10 and 100. So I get 23 here. If I want more of these random values, I just drag it. So this is how you use rand and rand between functions in Microsoft Excel. But there are two limitations associated with these two functions. One limitation is you have to define the range. For rand function, the range is already set, that is 0 and 1. But for rand between function, you have to give the command of a minimum and maximum value here. And often it is found that the random numbers which are generated using these two functions are repeated. For example, you can find this number 20 maybe 6 times when you have more of these random numbers. So you may find 20 like 5 times in this whole series. So numbers are often repeated when you use these two functions. For example, in this series of random number between 1 and 100, I see 58 has appeared 3 times. I'm going to highlight it. This is number 58. Then again I have number 58. Then I have number 58 here. So I see number 58 has come 3 times or maybe even more than 3 times in this whole series. So these are the two drawbacks of using rand and rand between function. You have to define the minimum and maximum value. You have to give a range, and then the numbers obtained, the generated numbers are often repeated. The limitations of rand and rand between function form the strength of Analysis Toolpak. In Analysis Toolpak, you can generate random numbers even with or without defining any range. You can also produce non-repeated numbers using Analysis Toolpak. Another major advantage of using Analysis Toolpak is you can form numbers with different kind of distributions. You can generate numbers using normal distribution, Poisson distribution, discrete distribution, and various other kind of distributions. Also, you can define the exact location, that is the address of a cell in the Excel sheet where you want the output. Until now, we learned what is Analysis Toolpak, why do we use it, and what are the various benefits of using Analysis Toolpak over various similar Excel functions such as rand and rand between. Now we will learn how we can load our Analysis Toolpak add-in to our Microsoft Excel software. In order to load Analysis Toolpak in your Microsoft Excel software, you have to first open a Microsoft Excel file in your computer. You can open an existing file or a new file. If you are using a MacBook, you can simply follow the steps I am following here. And if you are using Windows, you can follow the steps I have mentioned on the screen. So let's start. You have to first go to Tools, and then at the bottom of this dialog box, click on Excel Add-ins, and there you will see Analysis Toolpak. Since I already have this loaded in my computer, this box in front of Analysis Toolpak is already checked in. If you don't have this checked, you have to click on that. Check this box and then click OK. If you do that, in the data section, at the top right corner of your Excel sheet, you will find an option called Data Analysis. And this is actually your Analysis Toolpak add-in. If you don't find Analysis Toolpak in your Excel add-ins here, you can cancel and then go to Insert, and then you can go to Add-ins here, Get Add-ins. It will direct you to a Microsoft.com's app source. can just type in Analysis Tool Pack in the Search tab and you will get an app result. You can click on that. It's free and you can install this add-in from here to your Microsoft software in your computer. So this is how we load Analysis Tool Pack in our Microsoft Excel software in our computer. Now we will move further and understand how we can use Analysis Tool Pack to generate random numbers. Random number generation using Analysis Tool Pack is a very easy procedure. You have to open an Excel sheet in your computer and then click on Data, and at the top right corner you will find Data Analysis option. This is the Analysis Tool Pack add-in you have recently loaded in your computer. You click on Data Analysis and then you will find a lot of analysis tools you can choose from. You choose Random Number Generation and click on OK. This will direct you to another dialog box called Random Number Generation dialog box. This dialog box contains items which you have to fill in order to assist Excel to generate your random numbers. The first item here is number of variables. Number of variable is actually the number of columns in which you want your random numbers. For example, if I want my 20 random numbers in 2 columns, then I will write 2 here. If I want them in 1 column, I'll write 1 here. For this example, I want my 20 random numbers to be generated in 1 column, then I give it 1. Number of random numbers for me is 20. After that, I have to choose the distribution. This is actually the population from which I want my random numbers to be generated. And this distribution will decide the kind of parameters. If I want my random numbers to be generated from a normally distributed population, then I have to mention the mean and standard deviation. If I choose some other kind of distribution, for example uniform distribution, the parameters will also change accordingly. In this example, I want my 20 random numbers to be generated from a normally distributed population with a mean of 10 and a standard deviation of 2. Further, we have another item called random seed. This is actually the kind of password for you to generate this random number again. You can just form any set of password numbers here. This random seed is kind of a key for you to generate the similar random numbers in your computer if you are using the same software again. So I just give 1, 2, 3 here. You can choose any hypothetical or any kind of password here. It has to be numerical. After that, you have 3 output options. These are the location where you want your output. If you want your output in the same Excel sheet, then you have to give the exact address of the cell. If I want my random number in this column A1 till A20, then I select this and then click enter. So this is my location of my output. If I want my output to be in a new worksheet, I click on new worksheet, and if I want it in an entirely new workbook, I click on new workbook. Now after you have filled all these information, you just click OK, and there you go. So this is your output. These are the 20 random numbers which are generated from a normally distributed population with a mean of 10 and standard deviation 2. So this is how you generate random numbers using Analysis Tool Pack add-in of Microsoft Excel. I hope you find this video useful. If you have some suggestions and comments, then please let us know in the comment section below. You can also visit our website www.edusecrets.com and subscribe to our daily articles on similar content. Thank you for watching.